What's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update for Fantom, we are trading at 0.247, 24 hours. We are down 23%, and market cap, we are up 1.55%. So heading over to our chart here on our weekly chart here, you guys, we can see price is well below our 20 MA. However, if we can come back up and retest 78% of our fib, then essentially we are possibly in a bigger scope is going to come from this bear trend into more of a bull trend. Now we can see these gorgeous green candles or these green bars itself on our MACD indicator showing us, strength in the momentum. However, the 0% line is far from our signal line and our MACD indicator here, only until it actually retraces closer to the 0% and come up from that. Then we can be able to go into more of a bullish market here. As we can see, the green bars itself didn't really do so much in the fluctuation of the price, just because, again, the overall market is a bear market. So whenever we see these histograms in the green and the lines are below zero, price is going to move from sideways action. So it's going to hit resistance, what we've seen here at 41 cents, and then coming down to an area of support at 19.75. As we can see with the RSI indicator at the very top here, it is initiating a buy opportunity at 9% and 8%. But the buying opportunity, of course, you guys, we have to look into shorter time frames as we again are in the bear market. So hopefully in the next couple of days or so, especially near the end of the week, we come up to the 32 cents here to retest our 20 MA. We can see already the previous candlestick itself was a doji candlestick and already opening up in the red. It doesn't look it doesn't really look promising. So we may actually come back even further down and retest this area of support at 21.98. Heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, we can see our trend lines are coming down. We are hitting an area of support, resistance, and then coming down to an area of support. Notice too that we have matched the same lower peak on September 7th. So we're holding in strong at 78% of our fib, roughly around 40 cents here. And our RSI at the very top here has indicated a buying opportunity as soon as these two cross over on a daily time frame, you guys. So again, if we are going to have a buy opportunity here and we get the strength and momentum of our MACD indicator, we are going to come up and retest our resistance line here, or even our 20 MA moving average here, because we can see a few candles here showed resistance at this level here, and we know moving averages treated as support and resistance line. We can see a few spinning top candlesticks here shows extension or exhaustion of this uptrend. So as price is coming down, we've retraced really nicely more than 50% of this candlestick, which is really good. However, we need to be able to have more volume, especially in the next couple of days to come, to really pump this previous candlestick that we closed yesterday. So if we want to come up and retest our 20 MA once again, we need to be able to have more volume than what we previously seen in the last couple of days. And our MACD indicator shows that, again, weakness in the trend of the bulls. So we may flip over to the red, and if the price is seen closer to the 24 cents, price is going to come back down again and retest this area of support. And lastly here, you guys, 2 hours were more refined in our candlesticks as we have this downtrend corridor chart pattern. Again, simply support, resistance, and dancing around support. But notice that we're actually coming down straight. We're not making any more lower lows compared to the previous peaks. And now price is coming up. We've broken past our 20 MA line, which is good. We've closed above it. But now what we need to wait for is a retest, if there is a retest on the 20 moving average, or a retest from this trend line, because most of the times we do see failed breakouts, but we do need to retest some key areas of support. So one of the supports here we can see is 78% of our fib at 24,523. If we can be able to dance really nicely and hold the support at this line, then price is going to continue upwards, and we can validate as high liquidity here as our Bollinger Bands at the upper band, and the lower band is expanding. So higher volatility, the more fast the price is going to move. And if we take a look at our indicator at the very top here, we are almost at the 80% of our RSI to be considered as overbought. And once we are overbought, you guys, be be very careful for the price to retrace downwards and essentially come back into this downtrend corridor chart pattern. So that's my video for Fantom. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like the video and subscribe as well if you're new, but I'll see you next time. Bye.